Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do lock screen settings on your phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Open up the settings app, scroll down and here search for the lock screen lock you can see. Here are the different options. You can use fingerprint unlock, you can use screen lock, you can use face to unlock, and also you can use Bluetooth device to unlock. And here you can see emergency alerts. If some emergency alerts occur, then what will you do? And to tap on screen lock, enter your old password. For example, my password is this, and now select your desired password. If you want to enter the pin, select on pin. If you want to enter the password, select the password. If you want to enter the pattern again, just tap on pattern again, and you can see have to erase all the data. Okay, now here you can select again and confirm, and now the screen lock is again confirmed. So this is how you can change your screen lock passwords on your Android device. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.